Can you believe it been 3 months since the last time I cut my hair? Okay, now if you interested to seeing my hair growth and also how I maintain my hair under my wigs, keep watching and stay tuned. What's good, my babies? And I am back. I want to say I'm letting my hair grow out, but sometimes I can't make my mind up. One moment I want short hair, next minute I want like medium length hair, and then another moment I want back to my long hair. So I'm not gonna say I'm growing my hair out, but as y'all see, I'm not bald head right now. I might be a little bald head, but I'm not bald head. I'm gonna show you guys how I prep my hair before, my actual hair, before I put on my wigs. Like, wearing wigs isn't cool and all, but if you're not taking care of your actual hair, you know, that's just not good. So you have to take care of your hair and make sure you have healthy hair up under that wig, okay? Right now my hair is dry, but I like to get to the scalp. I need to get to the scalp. I don't wanna put no product on yet. But I am about to oil my scalp with, this is a classic. This product right here, it is a fucking classic. Like, this can make your hair grow real fast. I don't care what nobody say. It is wild hair growth. Okay? Wild hair growth, do the justice. If you want to grow your hair out, wild hair growth. It's always had my hair growing really, really fast. Definitely when I used to have like cut my hair fully, and then when I oil my scalp, I use wild hair growth, and then by the end of the week, boom, my hair growing real fast. I just started back using wild hair growth. I guess I was trying to try some other products, but sometimes when you know something that works for your hair, it's just best to stick with that. I deal with dry scalp real bad, and I don't know if it's because I think it's just in my family, but I don't want to say psoriasis. I usually don't like to wait until my hair dries to put product on. I like to do what I gotta do for my hair while it's wet, because when it's dry, this a motherfucker. And then it's like my hair is thick. That's the reason why I always cut my hair, because my hair gets extremely thick to the point that I just get irritated by it. Let's massage this through. But I never really knew what my natural hair type was, because I think at the age of 5 or 6, I got a perm because my hair was too thick to manage, and on top of that, I was tender-headed. So I guess it was like, I was always told my hair was like a sponge. Like, it just soaks up all the water, and then it's just like it's hard to get through and shit. So my family and stuff, they just gave me perms. So I used to give myself perms and stuff, because I thought okay, that's the only way I was able to manage my hair. Like, I didn't know what else to do but to perm it. But now, you can't get me to get a perm from nothing. Next, I'm using the detangling conditioner by, is it As I Am. This stuff really helps detangle my hair, because like I said, my hair is thick, so I don't know what type of hair I have. I always wonder, damn, what type of hair? Is it 4C? Is it 4A? I don't know. At this point, my hair is my hair. I know that's a big thing now, and I know it's really good to know what your hair type is, so you know what type of product works for your hair. This stuff has coconut oil, shea butter, royal gel, and that's in Spanish. But yeah, the stuff in the bottom is in Spanish up under it. But it has coconut oil, shea butter, and royal gel. I don't know what royal gel is. So now it's time to detangle. I got this cute little brush that I got from the beauty supply store. I got this when I do my boyfriend hair. Sometimes it's hard to just comb through his hair and stuff because his hair's so thick. So I got a detangle comb, and I use it on myself. This is why I say I do not like to let my hair dry completely, because it's just, sometimes it get a little hard to comb through. And I'm not tender-headed, but this shit do be hurting sometimes. But the style that I'm doing today is like a slick back. I always do this. It's easier because I have short hair. I can't really do much with my hair when it's at this point. So the best thing for me to do is to slick it back. So that's why you hear this. The back be a more thick, boy. You see that? This thing is thick. This is why I cut it. When I start thinking and realizing how thick my hair is, I be like, yeah, it's time to cut this shit. But I'm not, because I miss my hair. But maybe want to like grow my hair back out. I was looking at my old pictures and I just saw my hair. It was all blown out and stuff. And then I saw a picture of myself where I was like, damn, I miss wearing my little cute ponytail with my little, you know, curls and shit. Like, I miss wearing my low ponytail, just keeping it cute and classic. I miss that. So I told myself, okay, I'm not gonna cut my hair no more. I'm gonna just grow it out. And then a part of me is like, when I put on a damn wig, it's like, girl, cut this shit off. I do recommend this detangle brush because it helps detangle thick hair very, very easily. It doesn't pull out. You see, there's no hair. I know I don't have much, but even when I use my boyfriend, when I do my boyfriend hair and I use this, it doesn't take out a lot of hair. It's way more easier, and it's not like, you know, if you're dealing with a child or someone that's tender-headed, or if you're tender-headed yourself, it's easier to work with than using a comb. You know, I like this. What I'm going in with now, before I slick my hair down, because I always like to make sure my hair is moisturized before slicking my hair down. I am using As I Am Classic Double Butter Cream. I'm going in with this. Like the other one, this also has cocoa butter, shea butter, and castor oil. This is the consistency of it. And I'll just comb it through one more time. What I am about to use is to slick down my hair. I only got a little bit left of this, but it's called Belletique. That's what I call it. And this is for edges, braiding, and locks. When I tell you this shit holds down, I'm gonna show y'all this fucking magic right here. Okay? So I do got a good amount. I'm looking at the mirror, so don't mind me. Just wait. Y'all gonna see. You could also use this for your edges. Like, I wish I had something strong like this back when I was back in middle school and high school, or back when I actually had my hair and I was, you know, doing my hair and stuff. I wish I knew about this gel, because it really holds. When I say it holds, it holds. I was using jam, and that was a headache. It wasn't holding my hair for real because my hair was so thick. But let me. I got a hard brush. Hard brush like this. This shit hurts, but my hair's thick. Just comb it through, brush it through. Y'all see that? Look like I got a little mohawk, okay? Okay. Brush up my sideburns. Do you see that? Get you some Belletique or whatever it's called. Let me keep going. Okay, I'm gonna brush it. Damn. And this stuff it really holds and it's really hard instantly. So it's like combing it through. You need a strong arm for this one. Do y'all see that? Y'all see this? And you see that? I'm telling you, this shit's something decent. And this is the final results of my little slick back, yeah. This stuff really works. Like, you seen my hair was like a little fro or whatnot. My hair is not long enough to braid. Some might think like it's long enough to start braiding my hair now. This is easier for me to just brush it back, slick it back, leave it like this for a good month. And yeah, my hair is good like this. This stuff, Bella Teak, it has no flakes, no whiting, high shine, maximum hold, and lasts for up to 48 hours. All the products that I showed you guys that I use to take care of my natural hair, it will be linked below. Matter of fact, I will add it to my Amazon storefront. Y'all can check that out. That will be linked below. And y'all can get y'all some. Definitely this Bella Teak. You feel me? This stuff right here, I got all this stuff in the beauty supply store, but I will put it in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, so now it's time to install this wig. Okay. What's good, my wealthy babies? And we are ending part 2 of a 3-part video. I know I keep ending these videos off all crazy, but it's okay because we're gonna get back on a program very, very soon. So leave your comments down below if this video really helps, because you guys can definitely use this product to help continue to grow your hair, moisturize your hair. And like I said before, these products will be linked into my Amazon storefront. And like y'all already know, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to like, get this motherfucker video a thumbs up. And y'all already know the memo. If you're not subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You're missing out on some good ass content, girl. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye, my babies.